In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import layouts from one drawing to another in AutoCAD. If you've ever set up a great title block, viewport arrangement, or page setup in one file and wished you could reuse it elsewhere, this is exactly what you need. Layouts hold your sheets, viewports, plot settings, and often title block content, so importing them can save a lot of time and keep your documentation consistent. Start by opening the drawing that will receive the layouts. This is your target drawing. Think of it as the destination where those ready-made sheets are going to land. If you're working on an important file, it's always a good idea to save before you continue, or even save a copy so you can roll back if needed. With the target drawing active, you're ready to pull layouts in. Next, access the tool that brings layouts over. You can do this in one of two ways, and both lead you to the same result. If you like using the keyboard, type Insert and press Enter. This opens the insert options and gives you access to importing layouts. If you prefer using the interface, go to the layout area at the bottom of your screen, right-click any layout tab, and choose the option labeled From Template or From Another Drawing, depending on your version of AutoCAD. That command tells AutoCAD you want to bring existing layout definitions into the current file, not rebuild them from scratch. Now, point AutoCAD to the file that has the layouts you want, browse to the DWG that contains your finished or standardized layouts, and click Open. AutoCAD reads the file and makes those layouts available to import into your target drawing. You'll typically see the layout names listed so you can confirm what you're bringing in. Once confirmed, the layouts appear as new tabs in your current drawing, preserving page setups and viewport configurations from the source file. A few tips to make this seamless. If the source layouts rely on specific plot styles, page setups, or fonts, make sure those resources are available on your system so everything looks correct. If any referenced files or title block blocks are missing, AutoCAD will still import the layout, but you may need to relink references or load fonts later. If a layout with the same name already exists in your target drawing, AutoCAD may append a number to keep names unique, so it's smart to rename or clean up tabs after importing. Finally, do a quick print preview to verify scales, line weights, and sheet sizes match your standards. And that's it. You've opened the target drawing, accessed the layout import tool, and selected the source DWG to bring those layouts across quickly and consistently.